To build floor in Revit, we can go to Architecture tab under Build panel and click Floor. So floor will be built in sketch mode. So this is a sketch mode. When we finish editing, we have to either click Finish Edit Mode or click Cancel Edit Mode to exit from this command. Now to create floor, instead of placing walls or like placing components, for floor we have to draw the boundary of the floor. So usually we can choose big walls. The easiest one is to use this one. If you choose big walls, it will automatically select boundary line. So for ground floor, we're going to place the floor inside the wall. So if I click here, okay, if your floor is outside the wall, what you can do is you can click here. You can see that this double line, and at the center of it, there's small flip icon. So click that one, then it will flip outside. So click again to flip inside. Now I'm going to continue to pick walls. After picking all walls, what we can do is to trim the corner so that all these lines will be in one loop. So we're gonna have, like for here, there's empty gap between lines. Can also have, we cannot also have overlapping lines. We need to draw another line here. Now let's flip inside. Alright, and then click Finish Edit Mode. So that's your floor for ground floor. Now let's have a look at the floor in 3D. So that's the floor. Now if you cannot click floor like I'm clicking now, what you can do is go to under Modify tool here, there's Select, click Select, and then choose Select Elements by Face. If I uncheck that one, I cannot press the face of the floor, but I can actually click the corner of the floor. So I'm going to switch on again. Now let's create floor for level 1. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps, but this time I'm going to leave some empty space here for the staircase. So let's just focus on this area, okay? I'm going to draw here only. Now instead of using big walls, let's try to use big lines. Now click inside of the wall. So I'm going to leave this space empty because we're going to have staircase here. Now let's use the trim tool to trim all of these lines. And then click Finish Edit Mode to lines cannot intersect with each other. So click Show to see which one is the error one. So it's over there. So we're going to continue. So sometimes Revit will tell you that there's a problem with your model. So don't worry, because most of the time it's just asking you like, are you sure you're doing this, or like it's saying that this cannot be done. So maybe there's a mistake. So just amend the lines and then click Finish Edit Mode. Would you like walls to go up to this floor's level to attach to its bottom? Click No. Right, now if you want to edit the floor, you can just double click. It will bring you back to Edit Boundary. So you can just draw, for example, maybe you have a hole here for whatever reason that is, and then you can just click Finish Edit Mode. So that is your floor and there's a hole here. So that's how to build your floor.